we're back. I mean, what are you going to do in life? Let's take a look at it. The Slime Deluxe Tire Plug Kit, just in case you wanted to know what it looked like. 11 pieces here, so let's count the pieces. You got the plug insert, you got the plug reamer, that's 2. You got this bond, whatever this is, that's 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you get a 3-pack and a 4-pack of plugs. Okay, let's find out. How to. Take the object out, put the reamer in, take a plug from the packing, stick it in the tool, shove it in, pull it out, put the air in. The plug bond prepares the plug for easier repair. Whatever. Whoop. There you go. In case you get a big hole. I feel like I might be overdoing the fix a tire thing situation in my current but you know, this is one of them deals where if I never use that, best money ever spent. It doesn't have to just go on my ATV, but this is going in my ATV somehow. Gotta figure out a way to package that up a little, something different. Maybe like a Ziploc bag or something. I don't need all that cardboard. I looked at a bunch of different stuff. They got all these ones from metal and all this. I'm thinking, man, slime, they probably make a thing that's going to work. So I went with slime. There you go. In case you wanted to have someone hold the package and wave it in front of your face a bunch of times, so you can read all the things and learn all about it. And how to use it, there you go. Scan that to figure out how to use it. I guess. There you go. That's 2 minutes of your life you're never getting back. Stay safe.